Hi friends, today I am going to show you a watercolor technique using wax crayons. This is a super simple idea and a very engaging activity for kids of all age groups. Even toddlers can do this. It'll be really fun. So let's get started. For that we will need a white colored crayon, some watercolors, paint brushes and some water. That's all we need. So for children who are 2 years and above, your mothers can draw something with the wax colors and they can dip the brush in paint and water and just color over the crayon drawing. Now for the children aged above 5 years, they can draw themselves and color themselves. So now I'm going to make a simple butterfly using this watercolor technique. Okay, so it'll be a little difficult for you guys to see what I'm drawing using white color crayon because I'll be drawing on a white sheet. It's important to take the same color crayon as your sheet. You would be able to see what you're drawing if you kind of tilt your page. Can you see the markings? Yes? I'm adding a little bit of details to this butterfly. Can you see the markings? So like this butterfly, you can draw anything, practically anything on your drawing sheet, and you can color it with the watercolors later on and see the magic effect yourself. I'm adding some more details to this butterfly and we are going to paint it as colorful as possible. Okay guys, now let's take our watercolors and let's start coloring our picture. So I'm taking pink color first. Guys, you need to take a lot of water while painting this picture, as you guys must know that wax resists water. So whatever you will paint, see, I will show you, will not So the wax crayon markings will emerge once you finish painting Can you see how beautifully the patterns emerge out of your drawing sheet? The more color you use, the more water you use, the better will the patterns emerge out of your painting. And we're done. So you can see, once the whole painting dries up, the wax crayons will highlight in this painting and this painting will look amazing. So happy painting, guys. Bye bye.